Eh?
Yes, they will not cover it, because if they cover it, it will after well cooked. During time of eating, when when we eat it like that, we shall all, let me say, all the family will become drunk. We shall,
Serious?
yes, because this whatever here, it is not easy. It is also a sign of
Whoa.
alcohol.
Yeah, sup guys, and right here you can see my niece is doing grinding. What is this one you are grinding? Tell us.
Cassava leaves.
Cassava leaves. Let me try. Yeah, so guys, this is how we grind. This is how we grind, you know, cassava beans, like in South Sudan. Like you use the stick. You use, it's called
Gadia.
Yes.
Gadia Bernazande.
And then you use this wood here, man. You see? Yeah, this is the wood that you use. And then you do it like this. Slowly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like this. Whoa. And guys, come and see. You see? And then it gets like this. I don't know if you guys are seeing from the inside. These are the leaves, man. It was once like this, and then you grind. See how she's doing it.
Show them that one.
This is the result. This is the final, the final cassava leaves, guys. Then from here we take it for cooking, man. And this is what my niece has been doing right here in South Sudan, man. This is just like the simple way of grinding cassava leaves right here. If in case like if you don't want to go to the market, to like wasting a lot of time, money going to the market, to the grinding machine, you can just save just here very fast.
Use the wood machine.
Hey, use the wood machine. But what is the importance of this one, like this one here? The important
To what?
Where did they get this wood from?
From timbers.
But they do sell in the market, right?
Yeah.
From the forest?
We get timbers from forest.
No, how about this one? Are they made here in South Sudan or made where? Look at that one, he's saying it's in India, man. Where? Where did they make this one from? Where did they get this one from?
Here in Juba.
In Juba. Wow. Yeah. This one, guys.
But it is made in that side of the villages.
Yeah. So guys, one day we shall go to the village and show you exactly like how this grinding
Machine.
wood. This is not a machine.
Grinding wood machine.
Grinding wood machine. Guys. Wow. Guys, is it true that she's calling it grinding wood machine?
Because this is a wood.
Because this is a wood. Guys, let us know in the comment section. Is this a grinding wood? That grinding wood machine. Hello. Guys, that this is grinding wood machine. Let us know in the comment section if it is very excited. Oh, maybe, yeah. I don't know. But I really don't know in English, guys. So if you know, tell us in the comment section. How do you call like this grinding? She's calling it grinding wood machine.
Yes,
but
this
how
is
about
grinding wood machine.
But how about you guys? Let us also know in the comment section. Maybe someone knows it better.
Yeah.
And guys, here you can see that we use this drum here is for collecting rainwater, man. Wow. But you can see inside there's empty. I'm seeing a bottle inside there, man. See, we just collect, like when it rains, collect water from up there and then inside. Yeah, that is it, guys. Welcome to South Sudan. Welcome to my channel. if you are new to the channel, guys, kindly support Peter Reyes. Like, share, subscribe, leave a sweet comment, man, and let me know what you think about this video. And I really appreciate us, guys. I've told you, I'm going to share with you guys a lot about the YouTubers, and this is just life here at home, and this I'm right here at home, guys, in Juba, South Sudan. Yeah, thank you, enjoy this video, and up to the end, guys, watch it, and I really appreciate it. Hey, so guys, it's really amazing. So we are going to show you how actually we are going to put this one inside the, let me show you guys. You see, this is the kitchen, man, and this is how it actually is. You can see this is the fire here, man, and we are using charcoal. You know, we are just using charcoal. We buy the charcoal in the market, and then we see guys. But why is it green?
It is the water washed from this whatever here.
Hey, which means after washing this one, like you don't pour the water out. Hey,
it has been washed and the water is too much inside here. That's why we have
then you squeeze.
Yes, you squeeze the whatever, the cassava leaves. After that, you cannot pour the water out, because that is the vitamin. So you have to put it in the saucepan.
Okay, guys, you know, like after grinding, as he said, guys, so the squeezing, and then the water, you don't pour the water out, you
because that is the vitamin.
Put the water inside here, and as he said, that is the real vitamin, man. So if you pour the water out, you lose vitamin, man. And this is how she's cooking it right here at home. She's pouring water. Yes, he's adding some water, man. Guys, look at that. Real life in South Sudan, guys. And you can see, man, she's pouring, and then we are going to wait until when the water, like when it boil. Just you first tell us, like, you are waiting for the water to.
Yes.
Don't mind.
Put the whatever, the sauce like that without the water being this one boil. You have to wait for the water to boil first. After that, you put the whatever, the sauce.
You put this one. So the water first boil, and then you put.
Yes, and then you put the whatever.
But this one will take like how many minutes?
It will take long.
Hey.
Because of the
because
fire.
There's no fire, so you have to make the fire properly, man. We need the fire to be set very fast, and then she's adding charcoal, guys. You can see from here.
In Juba we use wood fuel.
Hey, in Juba we use charcoal. Some people call it coal, maybe. Yeah, some people call it coal in short. Yeah. So we are using charcoal over here. She just want the fire she want this water to boil like very fast. Yeah, faster. That's why she's adding more charcoal, guys. And let us know, how do you cook like cassava leaves, guys? This is how actually we cook cassava leaves right here in South Sudan, man. Really nice. Enjoy, man. Wow, super excited, guys. Yeah. Hey, you're going to wash your hands. She's just washing her hands after walking and waiting for the water to boil, and then after that we see how she's going to put it inside. She's going to put the.
I have to wash the.
Hey, after she's going to wash, but this one you're not going to pour inside there.
Yeah.
Why? Because this one is also vitamin.
This is small vitamin. Not
hey, I thought you were going to pour inside there.
No time.
Okay.
No time. You don't leave the whatever dirty after using it, and then you wash it and leave it clean.
Okay. Yeah, that is it, guys. Yeah, enjoy this video. This is just a simple life, our simple life right here in South Sudan. So let us know in the comment section, guys.
Tell us the name of this whatever. We want to know.
My niece here really wanna know the name of this
Wood machine.
wood She really wanna know the name of this wood machine. So guys, tell her please. Me, I don't know. You can tell her in the comment section, and I'll really appreciate, guys. Yeah, enjoy, man. All right, guys, and you can see we have been waiting for the water to boil, and you can see, guys, the water is actually boiling and ready. So she's
Putting now the whatever.
you can tell them, so you can see she's putting now the cassava
Leaves.
leaves, and this is how it is actually cooked, guys, right here in Juba, South Sudan, and it's really going to be very nice. Oh, see that? But like, why do we wait for the water to boil first before putting the cassava leaves? I just wanna know, like, why do you wait for the water to boil before, like, putting the cassava leaves inside, guys?
Okay, for more details, you have to wait for the water to boil first.
Okay.
Here in South Sudan, we have different kinds of tribes in South Sudan, kind of tribes in South Sudan. We have many tribes, and they also cook this kind of sauces. And when we are cooking this kind of sauce, you know, so here for us we cook in our different ways according to our tribes.
Yeah, according
For
to
us,
different
ours,
like here in
we
South Sudan,
the-
guys, we have 64 tribes in South Sudan. South Sudan has 64 tribes, and each tribe has its own way of cooking, like cassava leaf sauce is telling us.
Yeah, for us, we the Central Equatorians, in Central Equatorians we have the Bari, Pojulu, Kakwa, Modari, Kuku, and Nyambara. For us, we cook ours like this. You have to grind the whatever. You have to grind the cassava leaves before putting it into the water. When you are busy grinding the cassava leaves, while you have light a fire, and you have put the saucepan on the fire with water to make it boil. While you are there busy grinding the cassava leaves. After when the water have boiled, and then you put the cassava leaves.
Wow.
And when you have food like this, like the way I have do, or the way I did mine, you will not cover it. Yes, they will not cover it, because if they cover it, it will after well cooked. During time of eating, when we eat it like that, we shall all, let me say, all the family will become drunk.
Serious?
Yes, because this whatever here, it is not easy. It is also a sign of alcohol.
Like, guys, like rarely, like here in some other tribes, you know. Wow, see, guys, it's boiling, seriously. Like here in other tribes, men really don't cook. So for me, I really don't know how to cook like this cassava leaves, but I'm just so surprised to hear from her that, like, after putting the cassava leaves in the fire to boil like this, you don't cover it, leave it to cook open just like this, because like if you cover after cooking it, like and then you serve to the family members, and if they eat, you can see everyone will become drunk, man. You see people dancing and falling anyhow.
And for some, I
didn't know such things, really.
Yeah.
Even for me, like, it's my first time, but she knows it better, guys.
Yeah. For some tribes, before you grind the cassava leaves, you have to light fire, and then you put saucepan plus the water. When the water have boiled, after that, then you put the cassava leaves. You just put them only just for seconds, and then you remove them out. After you remove them out from the water, then you grind them. After grinding them, you put the whatever, you put the same sauce. This the same cassava leaves. You put on the water with all this one with the Maggi. This is our Maggi.
Maggi, yeah.
This is our Maggi.
Nigerians call it Maggi. Is it Maggi?
Yes,
Nigerians call it Maggi.
Flavored. This is our Maggi in South Sudan. We call it Maggi. You put the Maggi plus the salt.
And then oil.
Yeah, the
Local oil.
I think even the Nigerians are using that oil, that yellow oil.
Hey,
I forgot the name. I knew it, but I forgot it.
It's got from a tree.
Already. Yeah.
And like that oil, we like here in South Sudan, I think we are importing from, is it from Congo?
Yeah, from Congo.
Yeah, we are importing
even
the oil from Congo, guys.
Eastern
Yambio. Oh, also this here in South Sudan, guys.
Also, we import ours from them. You put this is how they cook.
And we have this match. This is what we use for lighting fire, guys.
Yeah,
you just use the match. Wow, you can see, guys. I'm really surprised that if you can see, guys, it is really cooking, boiling without covering it, because if you cover it, man, you're going to make the whole family drunk.
Yeah.
Yes. Not easy, man.
Yeah.
And you can see. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. And if it's your first time, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and let me know where you're watching us from, guys. And I really appreciate. My niece here, even she didn't introduce herself. She was also she once told me that she want to open a YouTube channel, but she's still in form 4. So I think after completing, maybe she'll open a YouTube channel. As you have seen, guys, how she really explain things for us here. Maybe you can introduce yourself. You can introduce yourself, tell us your name.
Okay. Hey. Hi, by name, call me Nancy Khadija Joseph.
Wow.
Daniel, that's my name.
Yeah. In South Sudan.
Yeah. South Sudanese lady.
Same, guys. They know how to
I grew up in Uganda. I studied in Uganda. I just came here for my secondary studies.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Look how our cassava leaves is boiling, man. Seriously. And we are really going to enjoy. This is it, guys. Thank you so much. Really appreciate. Bye.